ring lights, RGB or the regular ones? Let's find out. This is Captain Fahad, your very own. Let's start the video. Let's go.
The business.
Assalamu alaikum ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel. So guys, let's unbox the RGB and the regular ring light. Comes in a quite good quality box. The RGB here is 33 cm while the regular one is 26 cm. Let's unbox the RGB first. The box contains the RGB light and some accessories like a quality light holder which connects the light to the stand, and also comes with a mobile holder. This is pretty much it. Same goes for the 26 cm regular one, comes with a light stand and also the mobile stand. I'm using the word regular because the 26 cm comes in 3 regular light modes, while the 33 cm RGB, as the name suggests, comes with the beautiful RGB colors along with the same 3 regular colors to it. They both are beautiful and have different purposes, especially the RGB one, which we will talk more about this in detail. Okay, so they both are powered by the USB cable, so despite of the size differences, they actually have the same power output. The controller that comes with the RGB is straightforward. It has 5 buttons, the middle is power on and off, just below the power is the RGB light changing option, and below that it's the 3 regular mode light. The top 2 buttons is where you adjust the light intensity. The light has beautiful soft RGB colors like orange, green, blue, soft green, violet, red, my favorite. Yellow, features like fade in, fade out, slow circular, fast circular, and you can also change the light by clicking the upper top buttons where the intensity is controlled, and has other mixed colors too that are vibrant and beautiful. So now you must be wondering, what is the use of RGB light in practical? Well, to be honest, this light can only be used for highlights. For example, to lighten up the background that looks bright and colorful, this is the best use of this RGB feature of this light, as the colors are soft and gives beautiful spill on the wall. Now you must be wondering why I am not recommending this light for direct use on face. Well, here's the example, see for yourself. I attached my camera using the given holder that comes with the ring light and tried to use this as a standalone main camera light. As you can see, the colors are too bright and doesn't look good. It's very strong. I wouldn't recommend using it directly on your face. Even with the cell phone, it doesn't look good, and some colors are extremely bright.
Ah, my eyes! My eyes! My eyes!
Therefore, use blind protection sunglasses to check out the colors. Yes, you can use this light in conjunction with the umbrella light and second available ring light, then it does give a bit highlight that looks beautiful. So here are some examples that I tried. See if that will serve you any purpose if you are looking to purchase one. So guys, at the end of the day, after my testing, I figured out that it looks beautiful when it is used as a background light. So ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the day, we are now coming on to the verdict. 33 or the trusty 26?
Yeah, trusty 26. Finishing the review without even talking about me, man, huh?
Is that you, ring light?
Who else, you dummy?
I didn't know you could speak.
Thank you for not talking about me and only talking about that big-ass light over there.
Hey, don't speak to him like that.
Why? Cause he's a sponsor and I'm just a dumbass bought by your crap money?
Shut up.
Don't tell me to shut up, you cheeky bastard.
Hey, what's your problem, man?
My problem? My problem? I tell you what's my problem is you
Think that we'll just sit there and take it like good little boys, that we won't werewolf and go wild.
Wait a minute. Is that a dialogue from the Joker film?
maybe.
Obviously. Obviously, yeah. Okay, you go ahead. Go ahead. Just say whatever you want to say.
I want to be recommended for a TikTok. I heard you saying that I'm a standby light.
But why you want to be on a TikTok, man? Why?
Cause I need home. I need crazy stupid people. Their actions make me go out of depression. It makes me more thankful towards life that nature made me a ring light rather than a human.
Yep, he's right. He's right. No, it's done. I'm not taking you to a TikTok. That's final. It's done. Hey, come on. What are you doing?
I wanna be on TikTok. No, I wanna be on a TikTok. Please, please, please.
Okay, get up.
Okay, thank you.
Guys, it's gonna be a hard review here, to be honest. So let's talk about the 26. Well, to be honest, this light works just as great as the 33 centimeter. In fact, I have found 26 centimeter better and brighter than 33 centimeter. Remember, I told you in the beginning that both are powered by the USB, so I believe the small one has rather enough power to brighten up well, while the bigger is underpowered. Don't take me wrong, it's good, but not as bright as 26 centimeter light. I use this light as a fill light in conjunction with the umbrella light, and you can see I'm using the RGB as a background light. This is the best use of such light. This setup looks bright and amazing. I use an Osmo Pocket as my main studio camera, but if you have a DSLR or a mirrorless camera that has a wide aperture, then the depth of field would make it look amazing here. But it all depends upon the situation and what works well for you. This setup works great for me, so that's why I use it often. This is how it looks if you only use the ring light. This is, by the way, it's 33 centimeter RGB light. Let's make a TikTok now. Make a TikTok. This is my first time making a TikTok. So I'm gonna sing a song for you guys, because I'm good in singing songs. TikTok. So guys, let's wrap up the video here. So after testing all the pros and cons of both light, I have come up with that they both are the same light minus the RGB feature. Means that bigger is not better here. If you don't want the RGB feature, I would recommend save some cash and get the 26 centimeter, as it is brighter and more portable, as both has the same power output, but being a small light, I believe the power is more sufficient while the bigger one is underpowered. The 33 centimeter RGB is great when it comes to highlighting the background. Seriously, it increases the video quality by 30% due to its beautiful soft colors. And when you need for TikTok, you can go for its normal light modes. So 26 for TikTok and 33 for background highlights, or whatever you can think of. Sky is the limit for this. And if you guys are looking to purchase the RGB light, then you can get it through my referral for 3,300 from Online Bazaar. The link is down in the description. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, kindly give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. I work so hard to make such videos and make sure that I bring you the best honest reviews in entertaining way possible. So guys, this is me, your very own Captain Fahad, and inshallah we'll see you again with some other tech review. Till then, Take care and Allah Hafiz.